trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no.
Yo, what is up guys? Thanks once again for tuning into the channel. So this is KIXPLORE, where we talk everything about sneakers, kicks, lifestyle, travel, and everything in between. And today we're going to be talking about the kind of things, items, sneakers, or whatever that you should be consigning or reselling. Now, a lot of people might disagree and tell me, why are you reselling your sneakers? You shouldn't be reselling in the first place. Okay, wait a minute guys, alright, wait a minute. The kind of reselling that I'm talking about is the items that you've had for ages, okay? Not the items that like you bought on release day and then directly resell them. No, I'm talking about the kind of things that you've had in your closet for years and years and years, you haven't touched, and you haven't done anything with it other than take a Instagram pic like in the box, not wearing them or anything like that, and then they're just sitting there collecting dust. Those are the kind of items that I'm going to be talking about that you should be reselling and kind of get more value, get that money back. Because if you're not, then you're just wasting it. You're wasting space. You just bought something just to know that you have it, or just to have like a higher number of sneakers or items in that collection, if you know what I'm talking about. Because I know for me guys, that's why I am making this video, because I am going to try and resell some sneakers, okay? These are the ones that I've had in my collection for ages and I don't really want them anymore. So some of the reasons why I should tell you guys to actually consign or resell your items is because you haven't worn it, they're just there collecting dust, and taking up space in your house. Why do you need it? Okay, and you should do the whole thing where that little Japanese lady Marie Kondo, if it doesn't spark joy in your life, then really you should just really thank the item for all it's done for you and just let it go. Because you have better things to spend your time, your interests, your focus on instead of those sneakers or that item. Like the money that you can probably receive from that, you can also put that to something new or something that's more beneficial than a pair of sneakers taking up space out in the corner somewhere. It's really important to always remember that if you do kind of have these items, you should be having them because they have purpose. Sentimental reasons you can, but I have to admit, I have a lot of emotional attachments to a lot of my sneakers, right? They always have a story, and if I get rid of that sneaker, I lose that story. So sometimes I feel really sad whenever I kind of have to resell sneakers, have to give them away. But that's just basically just how it is, guys. That's life. You have to try to think of it more in a positive way, where you can say that you've moved on. Like that, you can always just kind of remember, oh yeah, I remember having those Air Jordan 7s, and I remember having those Air Jordan 1s back in the day. But if they're not going to serve a purpose for you now, why do you have it? So that's why all the kind of things that I think that you should be like getting rid of. If you want to give it away, give it away. It's up to you. But I do really believe that you worked hard for your money to pay for it at that time back when you bought it. So you should get some value back, so you can like buy something else that's probably more of value to you now. Like there's always also different places where you can resell. Like in Melbourne, just for example, there's CW, Secret Store, Underrated Melbourne, Doe Store. There's also like Sneaker Boy. There's a lot of places that you can go. So if I missed anyone, but these people can do a lot of good things for you. Okay, their services benefit you so much. They all have also their different kind of consignment rates that of course you have to pay them for trying to sell it, instead of you trying to sell it like online, let's say on Facebook, on eBay, or even all those other apps where you got to try to sell it yourself. It's totally up to you. But if you have someone like a reseller, they do this for a living, well, they'll just take a little cut, but you'll get major portion of the actual the selling amount. It's up to you. If you want to work hard, hustle, get that extra money, that extra 10 or 20% of that sale, you can do that. So if you definitely don't have enough time to actually do that kind of stuff, take photos, sell it, put on all these different kind of selling platforms, then you're gonna be like me and just gonna try and do the easy route and give it to guys that are more professional at it, that they're more suitable and have the better skill set to actually do that for you. So that's what I suggest. I'm gonna go now to the city. I'm gonna go KIXDW because I know the guys there. Personally, I've done a lot of videos with them because they're a bunch of cool guys. I'm not heavy like all the other guys around as well. They're really cool too, of course, but I don't know, I've got more of a personal connection because I know a lot more of the guys working there before that KIXDW even started. So it's just like kind of that connection for me. Yeah, I will be going there. I'm going to be trying to resell this stuff. I'll show you now. So this is sort of like my little stack that I have here. I've actually moved a lot of my other sneakers into another room because I just didn't want so many sneakers all just covered up here. So yeah, I kind of just organize it in a way that these are this kind of stuff that I'm going to resell. So this Bape college hoodie, I'm going to try resell that. And all these are the ones that I'll sort of wear like more day to day. There's all my other Jordans. There's all the stuff that I still need to film for my other videos, like other merchandise, and it's all the other Jordans that like I kind of like, but I don't really wear as often. I don't know if you guys seen on some of my other videos, but I do have that little stack of display boxes. This is from Soul Prints. This is awesome. I like it because it sort of matches my, you know, Sean with spoons. Hey, yeah, these are ones that I just kind of display for now. I haven't really put too much thought on it, guys, so don't think that I put that there on purpose. I just basically put up all the boxes and I just tried to fill it with whatever sneakers that I had nearby. So there's my bread ones that definitely should be in this kind of display case thing. There's my cocaine basketball, and there's my basketball that Ali bought me because someone took my other basketball and he ended up buying me another one. Thanks, Ali. But yeah, so that's kind of like my display case. This is all the kind of stuff that I want to sell. So I know this one. There's also a pair of Air Jordan 1 French Blues, if I'm not mistaken. And there's the the Air Jordan Golden Moments pack. It's kind of dusty. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can see there's the golden sixes, these ones over there, and underneath they got my least favorite pair of Jordan, my least favorite Jordan. Wait, and it does come these really cool American dust bags. It's those ones over there. I tried to sell them before, but no one really wanted them, so I'm gonna try resell them as a pack. Because I did want to keep the sixes, but no, I don't think it was gonna happen. There's also these I want to try resell. Oh man, these are brand new dead stock. Air Jordan 5 metallic, the metallic blacks, whatever. It's got the 3M on the tongue. I don't know why I bought this. I think I bought it in Philippines because it was just barely available. I'm pretty sure I paid over retail for these too, because I had to pay for the service charge. Oh, so expensive. And I think there's one more. Let's see, it's my infrared 6s. And how do I say this? That's why I don't really like it, because it's infra pink. It's not infrared. And I don't have a lot of infra pink outfits or colored clothing, so it's harder to match with. It's cool. It's a really awesome, dope shoe, but I just can't wear it, so what's the point of having it? So I'm just gonna sell it. Yeah, because I got my retro 6s anyway, so yeah, bye bye. These are just sort of like my little unorganized collection at the moment. If you guys do want to see a video of my collection, please let me know in the comments down below. What I'm talking about. Alright guys, so we're here at KIXDW. As you can see, I lugged all this stuff from the QB all the way to Young Reg, man. That was a really good workout, and I'm here with the KIXDW crew, ready to do some business and do some damage, bro. Let's do this, man. So here we are. This is one of the pairs I'm gonna be selling, the French Blues. These are DS, you can see. Let's be selling my Bathing Ape College. It's from the Happy New Year pack as well. So it's been a while since I've been to KIXPLORE ever since the beginning. So I'm just taking a walk around now. As you guys see behind me, this is so sick. The wall. There's my man Kishan. Kishan right there, bro. Oh, Kishan. Oh, he's behind this guy. My boy Nath doing his thing. Yeah. Spread it out for me. What the heck? Someone's selling these. These off okay. So guys, what do you think? Okay, I hope I've kind of enlightened you in some way about, you know, consigning, reselling some of your sneakers and some of your other items. Because guys, you know, I'm not saying anything bad about resellers or like the people that buy it straight from release day and then basically resell it the next day, try to get the most profit of it. If that's people, I have no problem with them either. But you know, this is more going towards those people that have really big collections for a long time, and or those people that have a big collection in general that just have it just for aesthetic purposes, or yeah, kind of that's the feeling of self-contentment just because you know that you have the sneaker. It's totally up to you, but I'm telling you, eventually everyone grows up, everyone has other bills to pay for, and having that kind of collection, a big collection like that, could really help you with other things in your life, like bills, like you know, paying things for your family, you know, going on trips and experiencing new things other than just having a sneaker there that's not doing anything, but instead you can sell that and go Japan, go Europe, or do something really special that can create memories and, you know, increase your life experiences. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. So obviously it's totally up to you if you have a sentimental attachment or you really want to keep that sneaker for the rest of your life and never wear it. That's totally up to you guys. But guys, I definitely have to say that I do have a pair of sneakers, a couple of pair of sneakers out there that I still have, that I haven't worn for years and years and years, but I do have a special attachment to them and I still do really like them. And like, I want to keep them and I want to wear them eventually, but I'm just still waiting for that right moment or that right Instagram you know, photo opportunity, eh? Anyway guys, I hope you learned something from this video. I hope I was able to educate and enlighten you in some way. If I did, please give me that big thumbs up. It's just over there, guys. Just one little small click helps me to know that you enjoy my content. And if you do like the overall content direction of my channel, please consider subscribing. All right, thanks guys once again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you.